Today we are discussing RRB officer scale 1 prelims quantity aptitude grand test 59. So go for the questions. Look at the first one. 2x plus 5 liters of mixture acetone and water contains acetone and water in the ratio 7:8 respectively if the quantity of acetone is 7 liter less than that of water. So clearly they mention how many liters less, 7 liters less. So 7 liters less means, so we can easily write, look at 7 to 8, how many parts we have? One part. One part is equal to how many liters? 7 liters. One part is equal to 7 liters. One part is equal to 7 liters means total is 15 parts. 15 parts is equal to how many liters? 105 liters. That means 2x plus 5 is equal to 105 liters. 2x plus 5 is equal to 105 liters. Then 5 will be removing, it is 100. 100 by 2, 100 is equal to x, then x is equal to how many liters? 50 liters. X is equal to 50 liters, we have to substitute here. When you are substituting x is equal to 50, 550 is a 250, 250 minus 150, it is a 100 liters. Our answer is what? 100 liters. Move for the next question. Here, next, the ratio of the number of black balls to the blue balls in a box is 8:5. The number of black balls is increased by 25 percentage. Initially 100 percentage, it is increased by 25 percentage means it is became a 125 percentage. And blue balls are 5 parts. In this decreased by 20 percentage means it is a 80 percentage. And cancel the values to getting an overall answer. Look at here. So 8 cancel, and here 5 2s are 5 25s are, and again 5 cancel, 5 5s are. Then final ratio is 5:2. Option is D here. And next question. ABC invested 400 rupees and 800 rupees, 600 rupees respectively in a business. The time of investment of A is 8 months and B is 4 months, C is 12 months. Each and every term again cancel with 4 now. Try to cancel the values. 4 cancel, 4 cancel, 4 3s are. Again cancel with 2. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, and 2 4s are. Then finally ratio is 4:4:3 into 3, 9. If the profit received by A is 1000 rupees, it is A is how much rupees? 1000 rupees. 4 parts is equal to 1000. Then B and C together. We need B and C together. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 parts value is how much? So 4 to 1000, it is a how many times? 250 times. Here is also we should multiply with 250 times. 13 into 0, 13. 13 5 is 65. 5 carry forward is 6. 13 2 is 26. 26 plus 6, it is a 3250. Sum of the, here the both the persons value is how much rupees? 3250. Option A here. And next, here next question is 44th. The ratio of the downstream speed of the boat to the speed of the stream is 3:1. First ratio is 3 parts, and next speed is belongs to stream speed. Then we can write, so here the boat speed is we required 3. It is a water value will be removing now, you will get boat speed. Boat speed is 2 parts and water speed is current speed. Current speed is 1 part. 2 plus 1 is 3, which is equal to downstream speed. This is the boat speed and current speed ratio is 2:1. Then find the time taken by boat to cover the same distance, in which case downstream. We need downstream. Total time required, if the time taken by the boat cover 81 kilometer upstream is 16.2 hours. Upstream time is given. So boat speed and current speed is mentioned. From this we can write downstream and upstream speeds we can write. 2 plus 1 3 and it is 1. These are the speeds now. We are writing the speeds. From reference of boat speed and current speed we are writing downstream and upstream. When coming to the ratio of timing, it is a 1:3. Speeds ratio is opposite to times ratio 1:3. In down case it's taking how much time? Up case they are given 3 parts is equal to 16.2 hours. So 3 parts is equal to 16.2 hours. We have to calculate for how many parts? 1 part. Cancel the value. 3 5s are, 3 5s are, and 3 4s are. It is 1 part is equal to how many hours? 5.4 hours. Option B here. And move for the next question. Here the sum of the perimeters of square and rectangle 2 into plus B plus here the perimeter of square which is equal to 100 meters. If the sum of the length and breadth of a rectangle is 20 and 2 20s are 40, 40 will be removing from the 100 which is equal to 60. 60 is divisible by 4, then A is equal to, you will get 15. Then square side value is 15. We require the area of square. Area of square value is 15 square. 15 square answer is 225. Option B. And let's move for the next question. Here we have a direction based on the here the data interpretation. The data interpretation is belongs to as a bar graph. The given radar chart shows the number of water heater, room heater, and cooking heater sold by 4 different electric shops. This is the blue color is belongs to heaters, so water heaters. Then orange color is belongs to room heaters, and black color is light black color is belongs to cooking heaters. So go for the questions directly. What was the first question here? Then what was the first question? Yeah, this is a question. So is now we are visible to the numbers also. Look at the total number of water heaters sold by A and D together is water heaters sold by here water heaters means first one water heat sold by A and D. A is it is a 120 and D is 180, which is how much? 300. Is how much percentage more or less than the total number of cooking heaters sold by A and B? Cooking heaters means nothing but it is third one here, the 360 and 240, which is 600. In 300 is less than the 600. How much less? Again 300 less. 300 is less than by 600 by how much? It is a 300. Then 300 is how much for the percentage than the 600 means how much percentage? 50 percentage. Okay, in 600 300 is how much percentage? 50 percentage less. Option is what? B here. And next, move for the next question. 47 for the same data. Here the question is find the ratio of find the ratio of total number of room heaters sold by C and D. Room heaters sold by C and D. Here the 180, here the 420, which is 600. Together to the number of cooking heaters sold by C and D together. From C and D, we need cooking heaters. 120 plus 300, it is a 420. And 0, 0 cancel. 60 and 42 both are cancelled with 6. 6 10 ja, 6 7 ja. Our option is what? 10 is to 7. Option E here. And next one. Yeah, now we are discussing a 48 question. Find the average number of room heaters sold by all the 4 electric shops. So average we require particularly for room heaters. Room heaters means orange color 240 plus 200 440, 180 plus 420 is a 600, which is equal to 1040 divided by 4. Now 1000 by 4 is equal to 250, 40 by 4 is equal to 10, then it is equal to 260. Then our answer is here option D here. So next one. 49th question. Find the difference between the number of water heaters sold by B and C. Water heaters, particularly they are asking blue color. So B and C, 150 plus 100. It is what? 250. And number of cooking heaters sold by B only. Cooking heaters is sold by B only is 240. 250 to 240 difference is how much? This 250 to 240 difference is 10. Option C here. And next one. 51. Which electric shop sold highest number of heaters? Which is a bar graph? Which company is producing the bar graph is highest level? That is the answer. Look at here, comparing to all bar graph, that is a D is a clearly showing it's a number of values are higher. Then our answer is D here. So next we have a simplification. 12 into 25 plus 200 divided by is equal to x minus 80. So here 25 will be going to cancelling this first term and second term. 25 8 ja, 25 1 ja. 12 into 1 12, 12 plus 8 8 20. 20 is equal to x minus 80. X value what we have to fill to getting a 20? 100. Then option is D. And next one. Here 18 percentage of 2500 minus, so here the divided by 3. Here the two terms are going to dividing 3, it is a 50 and 3 how many times? 6. 6 percentage of 2500, nothing but it is a 25 percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 25 6 150. 150 minus 50 it is a 100. 100 is equal to x into 2, then x is equal to answer 50. Next question we have 53. Root of 1296 minus 12 into 5 plus 640 is equal to x into 20. Root of 1226 value is 36. This is the value is 36. From 36 12 will be removed, will get 24. The 24 will be multiplied to 5, it is a 120. 120 plus 640 which is equal to x into 20. 0 0 0 0 cancel. 64 plus 12 is equal to 76. 76 is value. 76 of value. 76 of value is what? 38. Our option is A. And move for the next question here. and 25 percentage of 1200 minus 180, which is going to here is value. And look at 25 percentage wise double zero cancel, and 25 percentage of 1200, 25 percentage of 1200 means 50 percentage of 6, 6 5 is 300, it is a value is what, 300 minus 180 by 4 whole by, which is equal to x minus 120. And here 25 12 25 times it is okay, 300 minus 180 120, 120 by 4, 120 by 4 is equal to 30, and 30 is added to 120, our answer is 150, minus 120 added to 30, it is a 150. And next, here 242 plus 458, which is equal to 42 plus 58 100, 400 200 600, 600 plus 100, it is a 700, 700 by 10, which is equal to 70, 70 plus 50, which is equal to x into 3, minus 50 it comes plus 50, 70 plus 50 120, 120 is divisible by 3, answer is what, 40. And next, we have a number series 25, 169, 241, 269, 295, 304. Now we have to calculate what is the odd man out. That is what is the wrong number in the series. Here 25 became a 169 means how much added? 144 added. 169 became a 241 became how much added? 72 added. 144 half value 72. Now we can expect 72 half value 36 here. So 36 and 18, and next we can expect 9. So look at 241 plus 36, it is equal to, so 277, it is not 267, then wrong number is 267 here. Then let's go for the next question number 57. 200 become a 400 means multiply 2, 400 become a 80 means it is a divisible by 5, and here is also will multiply 2, we are checking now, it is a 160. First of all, I am assuming is it is a right or wrong. Here I am dividing with 5, yes exactly, 160 by divided by 5 32, that means wrong number is 140, then our answer is E here. And move for the next one, 20 30, here the difference is 10, here the difference is 20, here the difference is 40. You can observe the series, 10 become double, 20, 20 double is 40. Next we can expect 80, then 90 plus 80 is 170. Yes, now here till now the wrong number is 160, he can add it here the 160, 80 double is 160, 170 added to 160, it is a 330, that means our wrong number is 160, option D here. Next, 1 became a 2, that means here the added the 1 either multiply, here I am multiplying now into 2, and here 2 became a 8, it is multiplied by 4, here is multiplied with what is a number, here look at 384 became a 3840 multiplied with what is a number, 10, and here is multiplied with what is a number here, so 8 and it is 6, 2 4 6 8 10, this is maybe series. Look at 8 6 are 2 4 are 8, 8 6 are 48, 48 8 are, so 48 8 are 384, it's getting, yes, so none of this, which is a wrong number series, none of this, as for the series just multiplying with a even series, into 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 into 8, none of this, that means no number is wrong one. And move for the next question, 48 become a 53 and 68, here the decreased by how much it is, so 2 it is a minus plus 5 increased it is, and next it is also increased, 53 became a 68, here is how much increased, 15 increased, and here is increased by how much, 5 15 10 increase, maybe we can expect here 25, yes, so of course it is a 25, 68 plus 25 93, and again it is increased by 10, for example look at it is a 35, exactly correct, and it is we have to write 45, so 8 plus 5 is a 13, not 7, that means wrong number is 177, option D here. Next we have a data directions, study the table value they are given, based on that we have to calculate data relate to the number of students in 5 colleges A B C D E is given in the table. These colleges have only 3 faculties names, like the streams arts science commerce, we have a 3 streams for the 5 colleges, and we have to calculate for the number of values, so colleges total number of students, this is the total number of students, percentage of students who study science, this is a percentage belongs to science, in a 1040 25 percentage science means remaining arts and commerce is belongs to 75 percentage, ratio of number of students who study arts and commerce is ratio is given. Now go for the question, so based on that we have to calculate, the calculation is more required, maybe the question somewhat So look at now. In college F, particularly college F required, the ratio of total number of students studying science, arts, commerce 3 is to 7 is to 6. If the total number of students in college F is 28 percentage more than, if the total number of students college F is 28 percentage more than the college D, college D value is given how much? 1125. 1125. In this we require how much percentage extra? 28 percentage extra. 28 percentage we can write 28 by 100. 28 by 100 both are cancelled with what is the number? 4 7s are 4 25s are and 1125. Cancel with 25 here. 25 4s are 25 5s are. Then 7 into 45. 7 5s are 35. 7 4s are 280. 280 place. So 35, which is equal to 315. Extra how many members we have to add it? For the college F purpose, from the college D we have to add it extra 315. Then initial value is 1125 plus 315, which is equal to 1440. Now it is college of total members is 1440. As per this, the data is given science and arts commerce wise they are given a ratio 3 is to 7 is to 6. The final question is what? Then what is the difference of the number of students studying science and commerce? Science and commerce means, so here the science is how many parts? 3 parts, and commerce is how many parts? 6 parts. 3 to 6 how many parts difference? 3 parts difference is required out of 1440. Total parts is how many parts? 3 plus 7 plus 6, it is equal to 16 parts. 16 to 144 9 times 930 it is equal to how many members? 270. Commerce to science difference is how much here? Then 270 members. Option B here. And moving for the next question. Question number 62. What is the approximate average number of students studying? Particularly for science, they are asking all the given colleges together. All the colleges average value is required. 1040 25 percentage. It is a 260. 1000 of half of the half value is 1000. Then 250 and 40 half of the value 10. 10 plus 260. It is a 252 overall 260. And 30 percent is required. 82 into 3. 82 3s are 3 2 is 6. 3 8 is 24. It is a 246. And next here 36% is required. 36% of what is the value? 1250. So 36% of 1250, what I am doing? 1250 I am making a double. It is becoming what is the value here? So 2500. 2500 it is becoming what? 18. 36 of value 18. 12500 is 2500. Percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 25 18 ja. 25 18 ja means 59 ja. 59 ja. 59 ja means nothing but 100 4.5. It is equal to what is the value? 450. It is equal to what is the value? 450. Next here is also 1125 48 percentage. 1125 percentage of 48. We'll take what? 1125 percentage of 48. Then what we can do here? 1125 making a double. It is becoming what? 2250. Then it is what? 24. And 24 making a half. Okay, 24 making a half, and it is again it is a 2250. Double value is 4500. And it is value is 12, and 12 making a half, it is a 9, and 9 6 the value is 540. It is value is what? 540. And that is a fifth one is required. We require how much percentage? 12 percentage. 185 making a double. 1850 making a double. 1800 double value is 3600. It is becoming 3700. 12 percentage value 6 percentage. Then percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 6 into 37. 6 7 is 42. Leave it. 630 is a, it is a, so 180. 180 plus 42. It is a 322. It is value is 322. Approximately we required. This is totally we are dividing with what is the number? 5. So sum of the observations by number of observations. Look at here. Then 260 plus 540, which is a 800. 800 plus 2, 200, 1000. 1000 plus 400, 1400 and 1600. Till now it is becoming how much? 1600. And extra numbers added. 50 plus 22. 50 plus 22, which is a 72. Otherwise 50 plus 46, 96. 96 extra we have to take 4 from here. It is a 100. 100 plus 8, it is a 118. We are dividing with 5 now. Divide it here. 5 how many times? 5 3s are 15. Remaining is here. Till now we are getting a 320. And 5 here is also dividing. 5 2s are 5 3s are. And 320 plus 23, which is equal to 343. 343 means approximately what is the value? 344 here. Approximately option A. And move for the next question. 63 here. So 63, what is the question they are asking? The difference of the total number of students studying arts all the colleges together and the total number of students studying commerce in all the colleges together. Particularly we require the difference and arts to commerce all the colleges. Okay, so arts to college means 2 to 3 how many parts gap? One part gap, 1 by 5. 2 to 3 how many parts gap? One part, and 2 plus 3 total is how many parts? 1 by 5. In this 25% is equal to science means remaining is belongs to arts and commerce. 75% is required. 25% is value 260. The 260 is removing from the 1040, you will get a remaining value. So for example in 1000, so 250 will be removing, you will get 750. 750 plus 47, 790. 790 minus 10, it is belongs to 780. Okay, so 780 plus 260, it is equal to overall again it is you will get 1040. Again as it is here we require 9 is to 5. 9 is to 5 means how many parts gap? 4 parts by overall 9 plus 5 is equal to how many parts? 14 parts. And 14 parts, 820 of 30 percentage. 820 of how many percentage? 30 percentage. 30 percentage is belongs to science, we require the 70 percentage. 70 percentage required. 7 you can multiply directly. So either you can write here 70 percentage 7 into 82, because it is going to cancel 7 to 14 also. And next here, so 7 to 9 gap is 2. 2 by 16. 2 by 16, that's you can write 1 by 8 also. Here we require 36 percentage. 36 percentage means it is equal to 64 percentage. 64 percentage of 1250, and 16 it is going to cancel now. So that's why I'm writing directly here 6 to 7 gap is 1 by 13, and here 6 1 by 13, and 48 percentage of 1125 we can write 52 percentage. 52 percentage of, so 1125, 1125. And next here 3 to 8 gap is, so 5 5 by 11 of 5 by 11 of 185 and 12 percentage 185, it is a 88 percentage of 1850. So we should cancel the values. Now here we should cancel the values. Here 5 how many times? Here 5 ones are 5, remaining is 28, 5 fives and 5 fours are. And here is also cancel 7 twos are and 2 how many times? 40 ones are 4, 40 ones are 164. And next here is also cancel, it is 16 fours are, and percentage wise 10 will be cancelled, and one more 0 is left. Here 4 twos are 8. 8 into 125. 8 into 125 value is 1000. It is a 10,000. In 10,000 it is a percentage will be cancelled, it is become a 100 only. And next 13 it is cancelled. 13 how many times? 4 times. 4 percentage of 1125. 1125 make it 4 times. 1125 double value is, so 2250. 2250 double value is 4500. 4500 percentage means it is become only 45. And next 11 how many times? 8 times. 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. Percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 4 into 185 we can multiply. 4 into 185 means 185 double. 185 double value 370. 370 double value 740. Okay, this is all the values added to getting a final answer here. So here 150 plus 160, which is equal to 310, 318. Till now 318. 318 plus 300, it is equal to 418. 418 plus 45, these are all are added, it is a 13 and it is a 10 and it is 7 plus 1, it is 8, 8 plus 2, it is the final answer is what? 1203. 1203 means answer is what? None of this here. We have a next question for the 64th for the same data. What is the ratio of the total number of students studying arts in college ADE together and total number of students studying commerce in all colleges, so C and E together? So here particular we required arts ADE. Arts ADE means it is a 75 percentage for the arts and commerce. 75 percentage we should distribute to 2 is to 3. It is a 30 percentage. 30 percentage of 1040 plus, and next D value is required particularly for arts. Here the 6 parts. 6 plus 7 13. 13 to 52 it is a 4 times 4 6 are, it is a 24 percentage. 24 percentage of here 1125. 1125 plus next E value. E value is 3 plus 8 11. 11 to 8 88. 8 is a 24 percentage. 24 percentage of 1850 ratio to, and next values we should write college commerce C and E. C and E values, so here 9 parts. 7 plus 9 it is a 16. 16 to 64 it is a 4 times 4 nines are 36. Then 36 percentage of here C college 1250. 1250 and plus here the next last one is E. So 8 plus 3 11, 11 to 88, 8 times 8 8 is 64, 64 percentage of 64 percentage of 1850. And which are going to cancel the values, each and every term cancel with 4. So 4 here is how many times, 4 2s are 8 and remaining is 24, 4 6 are and 0, and here is 4 6 are, and here is 4 6 are, and here is 4 9 are, and here is 4 16 are. And each and every term cancel with 5 also, and cancel with 5, here 5 6 are, and here 5 2s are and 5 2s are and 5s are, and here 5 3s are 15 and 5 7s are and 0, and here 5 2s are and 5 5s are and 0, and here 5 3s are 15 and 5 7 and 0. And here each and every term again cancel with here, so 2 here and cancel with 2 here again, so 2 3s are and 2 3s are and 2 3s are, and here 250 cancel with here 2, it is become a 125, and here 2 8. Now going to multiply all the values, 326 26 3s are, it is a 780, plus 3 into 225, it is a 675, plus 3 into 370. So 3 into 370, 3 3s are 9, 900, 3 7s are 21, 210 is added to, so 900, it is become a 110 ratio to, here 9 into 125. 9 into 125 means 9 into 100, 900, 9 into 25, which is equal to here 225. 225 added to 900, it is a 1125, plus 8 into 370, multiply directly 8 into 370, here 8 into 0 0, 8 7 is 56 and carry forward is 5, 8 3 is 24, it is a 2960. So add it all the values, here 780 plus 675 110 and 1125 plus 2960, again it is cancelled with 5, cancel with 5 again, so otherwise add it directly. 700 plus 600 is a 1300, 1300 and 1100, it is a 2400, 2400 hold with 2400. Next we have 80 plus 75, 80 plus 75, which is a 155, 155 plus 10, it is a 165, 165 is added to, 165 added to, here 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 11 24, it is a 2565, 2565 ratio to, here 11 plus 29, it is a 40, and 25 plus 65 85, and each and every term cancel with 3 here, so 2565 and 4084 again cancel with 5, so here 5 5s are and 5 1s are and 5 3s are, and next 5 8s are and 5 1s are and 5 7s are. Again these two terms are cancelled with 19 table, so calculate with 19, 19 2s are 38, remaining is 133, 19 7s are. Again it is cancelled with 19, here 19 4s are and 19 3s are. It is a finally ratio is, what is the ratio, 27 is to 43, or option is what, E here. And let's move for the next question for the same data. Approximately what percentage of total number of students here study commerce in all the college together? So such a calculation here is also somewhat more. Here the three parts is required. Three parts is equal to, so how much percentage? It is a 2 plus 3 5. 5 parts is equal 75 percentage, means 3 parts is equal 45 percentage. Then 45 percentage of 1040, plus, and next 9 is to 5, 5 parts is required, it is a 14, 14 to 5 70, it is a 5 times 5 5 is a 25 percentage, 25 percentage of 820, plus next 7 plus 9 16, 16 to 64, it is a 4 times 4 9 is a 36, 36 percentage of 1 1, sorry 1250, 1250, 1250, and plus next one 6 plus 7, it is a 15, 15 to 40, so 13, 13 to 50 to 4 times 4 7 are 28, 28 percentage of 1125, 1125, plus here 8 plus 3 11, 11 to here 88, 8 times 8 8 is 64, 64 percentage of 1850, 1850, Why total values? What is the question they are asking? Approximately what percentage of total number of students study commerce in all the colleges together? Total number of students college. So here total number of students study commerce in all the colleges. All the colleges together means we have to record all the values also. So look at this is a value we can add it 1040 420 and 1250 and 1125 and 850. Here then 1800 and 1200 it is a 3000 3000 plus 1100 4100 4100 plus so 10 it is a 51 it is a overall 61 60. Okay, so add it remaining value 50 plus 51 100 100 plus 40 plus 20 25 it is a 185. Overall you will get what is the value 6185. So you will get 6185 into 100. If you are doing a total simplification is overall you will get a such a percentage near to that. So such as time is required to calculation, but finally you will get a when you are doing a calculation is rightly you will get a 43 percentage approximately. Next, move for the next directions. Here in the following question, two equations are given in variable x and y. There is a directions based on. So here quadratic equations. 2 2s are 4. Here is what? So 2 2s are 4. The 4 we can write. How to write? 4 into 1. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Here the minus plus. Minus plus is always giving the factors of plus plus basically. Okay, no need to go factors also. Plus plus is always giving minus minus. Comparing to minus minus, plus is always bigger means then what is the relation? X greater than y here. So no need to go for factors. And coming to the next one, here is there given a notations like it is a linear equations. Linear equations make it any one equation value is equalized. Then here I am multiplying with here the 7 7 4s are 28x, 7 3s are 21 y and 70. And here we multiply 4 4 7s are 28x, 4 5s are 20y and 4 15s are here 60 and gap is 10. Here is x is cancelled, it is a 21 minus y is equal to what is the value 10. Y is equal to 10 we can substitute, you will get x value. So look at y is equal to 10 substituted 30. 30 is removing from the 10, it is a minus 20. Minus 20 is divisible by 4, you will get x is equal to minus 5. When you are getting a x value is negative and y value is positive, y value is bigger, then option is what here? B. And next one, here 3x square plus 14x plus 15, 315s are 315s value is what? 45. 45 we can write the factors. Here is also look at plus plus is always giving minus minus factors, minus plus is always giving plus plus factors. Then what is the meaning? Comparing to negative, positive value is bigger, then answer is what? X less than y. Then go for the next question. Here is also no need to go for factors. And here 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 12 we can write 4 3s are minus and minus, but minus plus is always giving plus plus divided by 2. Then final factors are 2 comma 3 by 2. And next 2 15s are 30, 2 15s are 30, you can write 6 comma 5, 6 comma 5, and here is also divided by 2. When you are dividing with 2, what is the value you will get? Here 3 comma 2.5. Here comparing 2 3s are 2 to 3, which is bigger? Here the 3 is bigger and here is bigger. 3 by 2 value is 1.5, here is bigger. Then finally you will get a relation x less than y, option here A. And go for the next question. Here 8x square plus 5x minus 13 is equal 0. Here we can multiply with 8 13s. Okay, so 8 13s value is so 104. 104 we have to separate for the 5, and here 5 13 and 8, these are the factors you can take. Okay, so it is we required minus and here is required minus and it is a plus. Plus 13 minus 8 is equal to 5 and divide with 8 here. Here is also divided with 5 and it is becoming minus 13 by 8 comma plus 1. Here is 2 into 63. 2 into 63 is equal to 126. 126 we have to write the factors. 126 what was the factor? 6 2 is 6 1 is it is a 21 6 21 and 6 and 3 into 7 and 2 into 3 is 14 9 126. That's we can write here 49 9 we are dividing with here 2 and here is also dividing with 2 and here is minus minus it is a plus, and final factors are what is the factor? It is a 7 comma 4.5 and we have to compare it. Here this is bigger and here the bigger and here the this is bigger. One less than one Greater than means our relation is what? Cannot be established. Then move for the next question. An express train starts from Bareilly 7 a.m. starts from Bareilly 7 a.m. and end with what is the time? 11 a.m. That means its taken time is overall is how many hours? 7 to 11 means how many hours journey? 4 hours journey from here to there. And next here starts from Bareilly and reaches Jaipur. It is a Bareilly and Jaipur. And on the same day another expression starts from Jaipur to Bareilly. How many hours? 9 to 12:30. 9 to 12:30 here. 9 to 12:30 means how many hours? 3.5 hours. It is a 3.5 hours. Both are in opposite direction. At what time both trains meet each other? This is purpose we have to create a such a distance. The distance what I am taking 4 comma 3.5 LCM I am taking 28 kilometers. 28 kilometers. 28 is divisible by 5. 28 is divisible by 7. 7 dividing na 3.5 is also dividing. 4 to 28 how many kilometer per hour? 7 kilometer per hour. 28 to 3.5 how many kilometer per hour? 7 dividing na it is a 4 times, but it is a 3.5 dividing na it is a 8. And look at both are not starting at the same time. We have to make it same timings. Here 7 a.m. it is what? 9 a.m. So 7 a.m. it is started means it is not waiting for the second train. That's why it is already covered 2 hours. In 2 hours how many kilometers will be going to cover? The speed is 7. 7 to the how many kilometers completed? 14 kilometers completed. Already completed. Remaining is how many kilometers? Remaining is 14. That means now it is Bareilly train is here. The Bareilly train is going to meet Jaipur train. Then in a between a distance of 14 kilometer, now the speeds are 7 plus 8, it is a 15. Both are opposite direction and speeds are added. 14 by 15 we need a timing in a hours. Of course 14 by 15 hour, but we need an answer in a minutes. That's why we are dividing multiplying with 60. 15 for the 14 for the value is how many minutes? 56 minutes. So 56 minutes means they both are started 7 o'clock. First train started 7 o'clock, but second train started 9 o'clock. Both are reached at what time? Here up to 9 o'clock the Bareilly train is coming here. Then 9 o'clock both are started. In between of 14 kilometers they are going to meet. Extra time is how many minutes are required? 56 minutes. That means 9 after it they are going to meeting. Extra time is 56 minutes. Then time is what? 9 o'clock 56 a.m. morning they are going to meet each other. And next question. If boys and 14 girls can do a piece of work in 18 days, 18 days, particularly they are mentioned R. What we can do for R purpose? Here 21 boys and 21 girls is required. 21 boys and 26 girls. It is we have to divide it this way. And 2, so 3 2s are and 3 7s are. And here is 7 2s are and 7 3s are. 7 plus 3 value 10. 10 by 2 value is what? 5. 5 is dividing to 18. 5 is dividing to 18 means how many times? 5 3s are 15, remaining is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is our answer. Then go for the next question. Here in a test, sum of Sachin's score is 2/3 of Sachin's score is 2/3 of Sehwag's score, which is equal to 50. And next Sehwag's score is so 2/3 of Sachin, which is equal to 70. We require the question is what they are asking a difference in their scores. Difference in their score they are asking. Now you have to make difference. So look at here Sehwag and here Sachin. S minus 2 by 3 S. What I am doing? S minus 2 by 3 S. SS to remove and SH to remove. SH means Sehwag. Okay, then here then S to S removing. From full S 2 by 3 S will be removing. You will get 1 by 3 S. Okay, and here is minus. Here is minus. From 2 by 3 S and SH will be removing. Here is also you will get 1 by 3 SH. And you will get 50 minus 70. It is a 20. And Sachin to Sehwag difference 1 by 3 common, the 3 will be going to multiply S minus SH or SH minus S, whatever. Then here when you are writing 3 will be multiplied, you will get 60. Difference is how much here? 60. And next here Kalia purchased a bicycle at 8,400 and sold it gain of 25%. From that amount purchased Kindle reader and sold it what 25%. What is the overall gain percentage? Apply the net percentage formula. 25 minus 25 plus 25 into minus 25 into 100. Then minus plus cancel. 25 is 625. It is negative value. 625 by 100 means 6.25. It is a negative value means loss. How much percentage loss? Here 6.25% loss. Option D. And next move for the next question here. 200 worker workings for a project complete in 100 days in 75 days after. 75 days work completed. Remaining is how many days? In 25 days. In 200% work, 200 members work for 75 days. But we have a Next, in completed time, we have a working 100 days only. In this remaining, how many days left? 25 days left. Then how many members are extra required to complete a project work? But till now, how much work is completed? Half of the work is completed. That means remaining is how much work is required? Half work. Then here is half of cancel. Then 25 to 75 three times. 203 is a 600. 600 is equal to 200 plus 6. Here the 1 by 2, here the 1 by 2 cancel. 600 is equal to 200 plus 6 means it is what is the number we can add it? 400. Extra how many members are required? 400 members. Option B. And next we have a directions for the statements assumptions wise. So we have to analyze the answer given statements wise. What is the area of rectangle? What is the area of rectangle? Length is 50% more than breadth. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth is required. Length is 50% more than breadth. Of course there is a length is more than breadth, but there is we need measurements. The first statement is not giving the measurements. Perimeter of square is 48 centimeter and breadth of a rectangle is equal to side of square. Breadth value knowing because of square, then if you know the breadth you can easily express the length. That means two statements are mandated to finding an answer. That means option is what? C, both 1 and 2 required. And next here look at the average age of, we require the what is the Rahul age. Average age of Harun and Neeraj is 24 years. Then Arun and Neeraj 24 years means total value is 48 years. Ratio of Rahul and Arun is 2 is to 3. Yes, but we require Rahul. Without knowing the Arun value we can't calculate. And Neeraj also extra entered here. And Neeraj is 4 years elder than Satish. Again another person is entered. Then Satish and Rahul age is what is the ratio? 1 is to 2. Here Neeraj is 4 years elder than Satish. Here Arun, we are coming to the first statement. Arun Neeraj age is 48 and Rahul to Arun ratio is 2 is to 3. Here is without knowing the Neeraj value you can't express the Arun. Without knowing the Arun value you can't express the Rahul. And Rahul age after the 2 years. First of all, if you know the is single age, you will get after 2 years also. Neeraj is 4 years elder than Satish. Neeraj is 4 years elder than Satish. Then here n minus s is equal to 4. Okay, not younger, it is elder. So n minus 4 is n minus s is equal to 4. And the ratio age of Satish and Rahul, what is the ratio? 1 is to 2 here. So combine the ratios. Combine the ratios. Combine the ratio means common term is what? R. Then you can write S R A. S value is 1. 1 is to 2 is to A. So A means what? 3. That means Satish, Rahul, Arun age is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Here is we required from here both are remove it. Okay, from this and this we have to remove it. When you are solving this equation, n will be cancelled. You will get a relation of what? A and S. When you get A and S, we already have a and S values. A and S values how many parts? 4 parts. When you are going to calculating for 4 parts now, you will get 2 parts. The 2 parts is belongs to whom value? Yes, Rahul. That means you need answer means you have to depends on two statements, first statement and second statement. How many statements are required? Here is also two statements, both 1 and 2 together. And move for the next one. Question number 78. What is the speed of boat in still water when the upstream speed of boat is equal to speed of the stream? We require that they are given such a measurement. Time required to cover a certain distance. So without knowing the distance you can't calculate. And the thing is, for the particularly we need speed. Speed purpose, what is the thing is required? Distance by time. But they are given only timings. Without knowing the distance, is it possible to calculate a particular speed? No. Then speed measurement is not getting because of distance is not measured. Then here is distance not measured. Here is also distance not measured. And in a question also not mentioned distance. Then without knowing the distance we can't get it. Then what is answer? Both together are not sufficient. Both together not sufficient. And coming to the next statement, find out length of train x given that speed of train is x 20 meter per second. So train x given that of the train x is 20 meters per second. So find out the length. We require length, but they are given what? Speed. If you know the speed, then if you need to calculate length purpose, compulsory you need time. Then train x crosses another train moving in opposite direction 6 seconds, and the speed of the train y is 50% more than the speed of train x. So here train x crosses another y in a moving in a opposite how many direction? 6. Okay, 6 seconds. Then speed of the train y is how much percentage? 50% more. 50% more means it is becoming 30 meter per second. It is a 20 na, it is a 30 meter per second. And here the when you multiply both are in a crossing in opposite direction, 20 plus 30 50, 50 into 6 is a 300 meters, but it's a combine of train x and train y. But without knowing the values of x and y relation, you can't calculate, but the x and y relation you will get from the statement 2. That means how many statements are required to finding an answer? Two statements are required the answer. Here the what is answer? Both 1 and 2 together, option A here. And next one, what is the total strength of company ABC? Ratio of male to female is, what is the ratio? 1 is to 2. Okay, so how many number of peoples are there? We don't know. Then they mention the males and female genders. And coming to the statement 2, total females are 280 and males are how much percentage? 50 percentage of male. Then 50 percentage of male means 140. 140 plus 280, which is equal to 420. That means statement 2 is alone is clearly giving what is the company measurements. Then alone is required, not required the first statement to finding an answer. Then what is the final answer? Only statement 2 is gonna to getting a final answer.